This is from the Salt Pool store in Australia. I'm in the US and ordered this. This was $235, which was a deal compared to the $500 unit for the T5 for up to 20,000 gallons. But there's no label on which direction it goes. But anyway, so there's the plug that's right here. I'm just going to put it in the same way. Let's see what happens. So here's the existing cell. This is what my box is saying. Inspect cell. So we've cleaned the cell, and it still says check salt. And I know the salt level's higher. I think they said it was, what did they say? It was like 3,000?
It's like 3,700.
3,700, and we're getting a reading of 1,800. We did find one of the little, this is the flow valve right here, and there's a little metal flap that when it starts up, it flows, and it regulates it sees if it's flowing. Well, that little metal piece that sticks off, it looks like a popsicle stick of metal, was broken off, and it went and it got lodged inside of there. And so I thought by removing it, replacing that would do it. No luck. Stand by. So let's go to the box for it. And let's see, we'll shut her off, right? Yep, shuts it off. Notice the lights are still on, and I flipped the breaker, so there's got to be some sort of capacitors or what have you in there. Stopping. Anyway, so now it's off. So there's the new one, and there's the old one. You're gonna take it off, Hercules? Look at this. Alright, we'll get back to you once we replaced it. My wife's doing it. She's the pool ace around here. So let's see how it goes. String it up, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. What do you think? Yep, it's the same type of plug. No, that stays on.
Exactly like that?
Yep, it's exactly like that.
Good.
So I'll hold that. Go ahead and remove the cell. Oh, pool chemistry wizard of their. I'm trying to think of, not which would be the wrong word. See, now this is what I don't like. Oh no, I'm wrong. They are the same. I thought this is flat right here on this sealing surface, and so is this side.
Plug it in.
So here, you do the. She's awesome. What's that? Oh, so what? You're working out here. See what I mean?
Well, how come they all have metal on this one and that one they don't?
So let's see what the hell happens.
Well, how is that possible?
I frickin' don't know.
Doesn't make sense to me.
So here goes nothing. Wait a second. What are you doing now? Oh, you're resetting it?
It should say generating. Right now it's not saying that there's a flow, but it could take a while. Sometimes it takes a little while. 24 hours, so we'll see. It's
So
generating.
that was it. Generating. Yeah. So I'm talking about right there.
Now, if it stays that, it's going to go back to inspect cell. It has to.
Oh, it's got to run for a little bit.
It has
right
to
now.
run for a little bit. Well, it could have to run up to 24 hours.
24 hours my foot. Why isn't that thing saying there? Oh,
Oh, for Christ's sakes!
just to tell the difference.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
when you put the chemicals in, sometimes you have to wait that long, especially salt. Okay, so we'll come back and we'll look at it.
Wait a second. Let's leave that thing open.
Why?
it
So, the
doesn't-
wind can blow it off?
No, because remember before all of a sudden it kicked off and it said,
Well,
check.
it just went from no flow to generating, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, but it did that before and then it shut off.
There it is.
Son of a bitch.
It's working.
Frickin' A. Thank you, Salt Pool Cell. You guys totally rock.
All
Save
right.
me some jack too. A lot of money,
Now
man.
if it- See how long it lasts.
Yeah. Double thumbs up from the wife.
Yes.
What was that? Say it again. Double thumbs up from the wife. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, people. Now my dog can take a big poop. We're so happy over here. Aha. So we let it run for 15 minutes. What's up, poop? Pooch. What's that? For the 30-minute, how's it running? Success? Let's see.
If at first you don't succeed,
Yeah, baby.
suck until you do succeed.
Nice.